everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're having a great week. This is the first time I've ever done a collaboration, and MysticSoulQueen, who is a YouTube gamer, asked me if I would do the avatar that she has currently for her profile, and I was happy to oblige. This is what I came up with. It doesn't match exactly what her avatar is, but I hope that you like it. Also used a brand new palette, that's this one over here, the Carnival 3 by BPerfect Cosmetics, and I was really impressed by the pigmentation. I just couldn't believe how good it was. And I now understand why people are crazy about this palette. I've seen so many beautiful looks coming up, and all of them include this palette. So I'm really happy that I bought it, and I'm going to be testing it out, over the next few weeks, so you will see a lot more looks. Today you're going to see how I created this look. I hope that you like it and that you have a great time. These are some new pigments that I got, and I'm going to now use these on the cut creases that I have created on my eyelids, and let's see how that's gonna look. When I apply this pigment, I'm just tapping my brush onto all the places that I applied the glue. This is to get, a more vibrant pigmentation, because this is a loose pigment. That's all for today. So if you like this video, remember that you can share it with your family and your friends, and be sure to click the subscribe button if you like the look. I'll see you soon for a new look very soon. Thank you so much for watching.